Use garlic in the toilet to solve an unpleasant problem with just one ingredient. First, crush a clove of garlic using a garlic press directly into the toilet bowl. Then, prepare the toilet brush by securing it under the toilet seat and pouring dish soap over it. The last ingredient is vinegar. Pour 1 cup of regular vinegar into the bowl. Vinegar effectively removes limescale buildup and contains acetic acid that kills bacteria and microorganisms. It also neutralizes bad odors, keeping the toilet fresh longer. Scrub as usual and see how it cleans and disinfects. This natural cleaner saves you money and helps the environment. Using natural ingredients like garlic and vinegar ensures you're avoiding unnecessary toxins in your home. Try this method regularly for a more eco-friendly and cost-effective approach to maintaining a spotless toilet.